welcome back to my channel. This is Amira Sage. How are you guys? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I tie my scarf to my handbags. I love accessorizing my looks with scarves. Whether it's on my hair, my bag, or my wrist, wearing a scarf can easily turn a very mundane outfit into a very chic one. So without any delay, here are 3 ways to tie a scarf to a handbag. Okay, you guys, so for the first look, we're going to take a normal size bandeau. This is from Dolce & Gabbana. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously see where the tag is. It's obviously on this side, so we don't want it to show. So when we do tie it around the handle, we do want it concealed. So just keep that in mind. We're going to make sure that this end is dangling over on the right side of my bag like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this end in through here, pull it all the way through, and you're going to be left with this much. You're going to wrap it around the handle like this, and you're going to hold onto it securely. So you see how the scarf is already through this hole here. So what we're going to do is, obviously, where's the label? The label is over on this side. So we're going to start by wrapping over the other end. You want to do it nice and tight. And you're going to go upwards like on an angle. Because if you don't go on an angle, you're going to run out of your scarf. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab one side like you're tying a bow. You're going to grab this side like this, okay? And you're going to go under, and this is where you're going to tie and make the bow. And then we adjust it. So obviously it looks lousy, it looks bad, but we're going to fix it up. So you're going to put your fingers in here and just pull on it gently, and then also on this side. Don't pull too much. There you have the perfect bow. So next I'm going to use a larger scarf. This one's longer. It's more like kind of like a shawl almost. It's pretty long. This one's from Brooks Brothers. And I know a lot of people don't have bandeaus and they have larger scarves like this. So I'm going to show you how to do the same thing using a much larger, longer scarf. You lay your scarf flat and you are going to fold it in half. You're going to fold it again. You're going to fold it once more. We've folded it a few times. Now we're going to take our bag. So the first thing we're going to do, obviously look for the tag, which is on the side. So what I'm going to do is, since obviously this scarf does not fit through here, we're going to do it a little bit differently, but it will still be just as secured. So we're going to wrap this end up like this, okay? Just like that, and then we're going to take this other end and we're going to start wrapping over the other end. Now, since I do have a lot of fabric, I can play around with it. It's not like I need to have it super duper tight, but you know, I like having it really nice and tight, just so that it doesn't become loose, because it is a handle after all, and you are holding on to the handle. So now we are on the end, and we still have a pretty good amount of fabric left. but because there's so much of it, it's thicker, so it's really deceiving. Like, even though you have a lot left, the fact that it's so thick, like, we're gonna be using up a lot of it for that reason. So we're at the end now, and we're gonna just watch, because I really have such a hard time explaining this. You're gonna grab this side and put your finger through. Then you're gonna grab this other side here, create another loop, so you have two, see, like this. And you're going to go just like we did before with the other scarf. You're gonna go under, and you're going to create a knot. And you're gonna bring this side down like this. Now we're going to pull. Now we're gonna fix it. And there you guys have it. Another beautiful bow. Okay, so this is going to be look number 2, and we're going to use a larger silk scarf. This is smaller though than the last chiffon scarf. It's like the smaller bandeau, except this one's just the larger one. So for this look, we're going to do just a normal bow on the side of the bag. We're not going to touch the handle. So the first thing we're gonna do, you're going to lay your scarf flat. Make sure that the label is up. So you're gonna lay it flat. What you're gonna start to do is you're going to bring the tips in like this. So I don't know if you guys can see. This is one tip, and here we have the other. And you're gonna bring these two inwards, and then we're going to fold. And then we're gonna fold this side in. Just like that, okay? Should look like this. And now we're going to fold once more. So now what we're going to do is, you see these loops in here, this helps. But if you don't have them, you can do exactly what I'm gonna do right now. So we're going to slide one side of the scarf in through the loop, and then just make sure that these are both even. So this one's a little uneven, I'm gonna pull a little more. Now they're pretty even. So I'm not going to tie it, otherwise the bow is gonna look extremely bulky. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just make a bow. So take one side, then you're gonna take the other, and you're just going to tie it. Loop under, and you're going to bring this side down here. And this is what it looks like, but again, we're going to fix it, so don't get discouraged. And then you should have these sides fall down like this. Another beautiful bow. You guys, so now for my third and final look. This is actually my favorite look. So I'm going to take this one bandeau. This is actually bigger than the first one that I used. This is from Louis Vuitton. I love both sides. I just think it's so nice and it matches my bag perfectly. I'm going to take one side of the scarf. You need to estimate a lot with this look because you do want it to be even on both sides. So this might actually take you a few tries. Because I've done this so many times, I kind of know how long it should be, how much I should use on the handle. So I want it to be basically like this short. This is the length that I want. You can obviously do longer with this size. You can totally do like up to this length. I kind of like it here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie this. Just a normal knot. This side so I can wrap upwards. Just like that. And now we're going to start wrapping. You can wrap in whichever direction. If you want this side to show, then you would wrap backwards. If you want the opposite side to show, then you go forwards like this. Once we're here at the end, you are going to go into this loop here. If you don't have that, then you just make a normal knot. I'm gonna go into that loop, pull on it a little bit so that you're able to tuck it in. And you're just going to pull on it a little bit. Tag's about to fall off. I have to sew this. And that is basically how you do it. It is a lot of trial and error, so don't get discouraged. Keep that in mind. The first time I did this, I did it like 4, 5, 6 times until I got it right, and it was very frustrating. But then you get a hang of it, and it's just super duper easy. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!